Here at Share Machine, we do custom precision CNC machining. We specialize in low volume, medium, high value machining. What inspired us to start digitizing at Share Machine was traceability, to understand our capacity of all our machines. We were having issues with our ERP that we are utilizing now. We couldn't keep track of how the machines were working properly. Because with ERP systems, you're pretty much scanning in on a job and then scanning out of a job. And that job might show that it took 4 hours, but in actuality, it might have had taken 2 hours. We weren't getting that exact data that was needed to understand how long a part takes to be made. So we consulted with FAMA Technologies, who are the integrators for Fagor system, and they walked us through to figure out what we needed to do. We first started off just by doing 4 machines, just to see how everything will be integrated into it. I mean, we run Haas machines, we run Mazak machines, we also run Samsungs. Fagor can integrate all the machines into one software. It showed exactly how our machines were being utilized. We were running at about 70% capacity when we thought we were running at 90% capacity. By utilizing OEE and integrating it to our CNC machines, it was a lot easier for us to plan ahead, get our schedules to be more accurate, allow our customers to get their parts much quicker, give the lead times more precise. Fagor Digital Suite planning has helped us out immensely. We are able to plan more efficiently, schedule the jobs that needs to be done properly. We're also able to monitor the machines' effectiveness, how they're being operated, how they're running. We're able to compare between 2 different machines running same parts. And this allows us to figure out, is it material issues or is it machine issues? With the digital suite, it monitors the watt meters. It monitors how much power is being consumed by each machine. If one machine consumes more power than the other one, we can figure out that there's an issue either with the motors or there's an issue with the spindle. The implementation process went very smoothly. And using FAMA Technologies, who are the Fagor factory authorized integrators, they did their job very easily. They really didn't interrupt us at all. It was a very smooth process to get it integrated into our system.
Fagor Automation, open to your world.